Hi, lovely people. This is Health, Fitness, and Beauty channel. We bring you anything you need to know about your health, your fitness, and your beauty. These three are very important in every human being's life. As far as you are not dead and you are still living, this channel is created to give you the tips about how to keep your body, your health, and how to make your body beautiful and naturally. This is Health, Fitness, and Beauty. Do well to subscribe for more updates about your health, about the exercise you do, and about the food you eat. Anything we bring to you is from experts who are working in various categories of health, fitness, and beauty. If you want to know anything about your health, fitness, and beauty, then you are the right place. All you need to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on all our social media handles so that whenever we bring a new update, you'll be the first person to know. And don't forget to share to your family and friends so that they will know the good news. Make sure you do whatever we teach you here very well so that you know the benefits of our teaching all this every morning. You will see changes in yourself. This is Health, Fitness, and Beauty channel. Do well to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Thank you. Best exercise for body transformation. All we are hearing these days is how people transform their bodies. These are endless stories and pictures on social media of transformed people. But before we get moved on by this before and after body transformation ways, it is essential to understand what full body transformation is and how does it work. For most people, full body transformation is all about physical changes that make you look good and let you fit into your favorite clothes. While this is one aspect of best body transformation, but that's not all. The true and best body transformation starts with making healthy adjustments to your lifestyle to get truly healthy from within in a way that you can sustain for a longer period of time. Now that you have decided to take a step towards transforming your body, you may have a lot of questions about where to start and how to stick to your plans. Don't let it be your problem. You have come to the right place. All you have to do is subscribe. Subscribing to this channel will always keep you updated, but will never kill you. Whatever it is about body transformation for male or body transformation for female, we have created a step-by-step guide to help you through with this. And on the way, we bust some common myths too. Some of the best exercise for body transformation is squats. Squat is one of the best exercise for body transformation. Lunges is also one of the best exercise. Great bridges. Those who know great bridges, I don't know if some of you know calf rises. Calf rises is one of the best too, and star jumps. If you know star jumps, you can even imagine. These exercises are suitable for body transformation for male and females. This video is a brief guide on beginning your body transformation journey. There are additional videos that demonstrate these exercises in detail, showing how to effectively target and transform specific body areas. Visit my channel to find the one that suits your needs best. Do well to subscribe. Subscribing to this channel ensures you stay informed and it won't harm you at all. Thanks for tuning in. We look forward to having you back soon.
Прямой стол, поднимающийся с земли,